Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have this vest that I wanted to show you because I picked that up the other day for my costume that I'm making, and yeah, I bought it for my Loki costume, and I was actually very satisfied. It's not really expensive, and the color, the green, is pretty dark and looks fancy enough for Loki, and the materials blue soft, as you can see the inlay is pretty simple and straightforward. Nothing to complain here at all. We got some nice little pockets which are obviously sewn right now. You have to open that up. um, let's actually do that really quick here and check out how big they are. I hope I can get this open fast. I will try my best. You should probably not take such a big knife for opening up your pockets, but since that's the only thing that I have in reach right now, we're gonna do that anyway. So don't watch and repeat. That's all I can say. I'll try and do my best to dive into this and get this over with really fast. Still don't want to ruin the fast because I'm excited I found it after all. Um, so give me a sec. I will try my best to be fast, but yeah, we should be there in a second here. Okay, is that already enough to just open it all the way? It might give me a sec. Remove some unwanted material as well. Now, as you can see, you can just reach in there. Got quite some room. Probably your cell phone could fit in here if that's something. Liking the black detail on the above the pockets as well. Let's throw that just on and see how it fits. This is the look. As you can see, it fits quite nicely. Not too loose, not too tight, and it actually has the finish on the bottom just right above the belt, which is where it should be. And that's gonna be it for today.